Today's video, we're going to talk about lists. Lists can be bulleted, or you can have a numbered list where it follows a certain order. Now, we're going to create a bulleted list, and there's a nice shortcut for that. You simply type asterisk and then press space. So it auto-corrects the asterisk and changes it into a bulleted list. Now I'm going to start filling out this list. So I'm going to type in my first item and then press enter on my keyboard. If I'm done with this list at this point, I can press enter twice and now it's just normal text. But I'm going to go back into the list. Now, if you need to add more to it, you can click on the end of one of your items and simply press enter and start typing in more items. So wherever your blinking cursor is, that's the list item you're operating on. And there's a really nice shortcut using the arrow keys and Shift and Alt. Now, if I hold down Shift and Alt on this kiwi over here, I can press the up arrow and you can see I can reorder my list. What I can also do is nest my list with that same Shift Alt combo. But instead of up and down, I'm going to hold down Shift and Alt and press the right arrow key. And you can see it's nested under that. Now, I could do more than one at a time by either highlighting it with my mouse, or you can hold down Shift and then I press Shift and Alt and press the right arrow key. And I can do the same for the cheeses. So you can see it's easy to reorder things. It's easy to promote or demote things just by holding down the Shift and Alt and working with your arrow keys. Now let's make a numbered list. So I'm going to start out that list by typing in 1 period and then pressing space. So very similar to pressing the asterisk key to create your bulleted list, you can create an ordered list this way. Now you can also create a list out of text you already have. So that's what we're going to do next. So I'm going to highlight the items I want in my list, and I'm going to go to the Home tab and then the Paragraph group. And the one I want here is Bullets. So I'll click on Bullets, and you can see I have my list. Now I can also change what the bullet looks like. I can click the drop down and choose one of these in the bullet library, or I can actually go to Define New Bullet and go to Symbol, where there's a wealth of symbols that you can choose from instead of just a plain old bullet circle. Now, the final thing we're going to demo is creating an ordered list. So this is my full day. I'm going to highlight this and go to the paragraph group one more time and click on numbering. Now, as you can see, it chose 1, 2, 3, etc. But just like the bulleted list, you can select the numbering system if you want something else rather than just numbers. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.